Hello guys, today video we'll talk about Sporty Bet and Betway. Which one of these two websites is good in terms of betting? Is it Sporty Bet or Betway? So today we'll talk about these two apps to find out which one have the most best odds, which one have the best interface, which one is faster, which one is good to use, which one is more secure in terms of withdrawing and deposit, which one when you want to register it's easy for you to register. So I'll take you through all these things so that at the end of this video you know the one which is best. And why do you prefer Sporty Bet more than Betway, or why do you prefer Betway more than Sporty Bet? A lot of people are using these two betting websites for their games and business. So which one is your preferred one? Is it Sporty or Betway? Let's move on to this video so that you will choose your number one betting website. So we take the Sporty Bet first, then we finish with the Betway app. So this is the Sporty Bet app. So when you open it, you will see interface like this. They have this good interface. Everything is very neat and nice. They have everything over here. So let's quickly run into it. So here is all the sports games. If you want all the game that they have all the games over here. You can run into it and see. So they have all the games, either football, basketball, or other things. You can have it over here. So football, visuals, basket, table tennis, e-football, hockey, handball, other things. They have a lot of games over here that you can choose. Then today's game, tomorrow, Sunday, they have all the games, even up to month. They have favorites. If you have your favorite team, top legs is over here. You can find it over here. Then we have popular countries. Then they have A to Z. All the countries around is over here. So you can find all these things here. They have live games. If you want to check your live games, live bets, you can run it over here. They have games, promotion, and more. So when you tap them all their games will appear over here, so that you can choose any one that you want. So these are games. These are games for today. They have other games which is not football or other things. Then they have codes. So if you don't have any teams in your mind, then you want to pick some of their games, you can also come here and choose any one of the odds that you want. Then you book. Then you place your bet. If you have booking code too, you can place it over here. Then you are free to go. You just put your booking code inside this one. Then you are free to go. So you can just do all these things at this place. Then they have their live games over here. You can choose any of the live games over here. They have it. Then they have double chance, win, all these things, including their live game. You can open their live game too. Then you choose the one you want. They have all this interface. Then let's move on to their deposit and sees. So they have their deposit side over here. Okay, they have three methods of deposit. They have MTN, Momo, Airtel, Tigo, Telecel. So if you don't have this thing, they have PayBill. They have cards, other bank and other things. You can have Visa card or the MasterCard. You can also use it to do deposit. The same thing you can use it for a drawer. You have your sport history over here. Then they have transaction, sporty royalty. So they will gift you some bonus, so you can use it as free bet. You can use it. It depends on the amount of game that you normally bet. The more you bet, the more you upgrade yourself to get. Then they send notification to. You can chat them 24/7. Then they have update options over here. Then they have customer service. All of these things are over here. Then you can just come to home. So if you want their games, they have win, over, double chance, first half, handicap, home or away, double chance, go, first half. They have everything over here. Then they have two-way app. The two-way app, when the team score 2 first goals, yours take as win. But here I don't see fresh win over here. I don't know if they have it or not. I don't see it. So here too, you can range your odds. If you want to range your odds, the number of odds that you want, if you want up to 1.3 odds, 1.4 odds, you can range it. Any of the odds that you want, you can range it. Then they have their games over here. The game that will be tight, then they mark it as what over here. The normal games, or they leave it. Some of the game they will show it live. You can watch it. That's where they have run Sporty TV. So when you see Sporty TV on the game, any of the games, it means that they will what? They will show it live for you. Then this one that they have microphone and it means they will bring you commentary, but they will not show the live game over here. All these are visual games. They play it, then you win your bet. So you can just take it in. Then you can see they have their games over here. This their interface. It's very simple. I think all these things, some of the betting companies, they have it the same thing. So you can check their statistics over here. You can check their previous meeting, the teams and other things over here. Then before you if you don't have live score up and other things, you can just check it their games over here. Then the comments, people's what they are saying about this game. If you to be draw, who will win the game and other things is over here for you to choose. Then you can switch. If you don't want these games, you can switch to other games. You just tap here within the same league that they are playing. So you can switch. If it is Europa League, you can switch over there. Then they have countries. If you have your teams and you can't find it on today's game or highlights, you can switch it to countries. So when you switch it to countries, you find all the teams over there for you, so that you can choose your team over there. It's very simple and easy. A lot of people are using the Sporty app because of this things that they have it over here. It's very simple and is. So then if you place your bet, it will appear here, this interface for you to see. Then they have, you can see it over here, you can track it. Then they have one thing which is sim. So if you want your games to be played just right now, you can just be played. They play it as a visual, so it's a visual simulation. So they can play it at within a short time for you to collect your money. If you don't want it that, then you choose it from sim to rare. So this is a rare. Then they have sim. It's very simple and easy. That you can choose that option. It's very simple, as I was saying. Then they have their games. So these their games. They have other games which is not football. They have so many games that you can choose over here. Then they run to all the game. They have it over here. Live score, jackpot, results, and other things. You can load your code over here. If you have your team, you can tap it over here. It's very simple and easy for you to. So this all about Sporty Bet. Then they have their short code for payment. So if you are dialing this thing, you're finding it difficult, you can just use their short code for you to send it. Then you can log out. They have their terms and conditions over here. So this all about Sporty. A lot of people are using Sporty Bet. I don't know the reason. If they have smooth running, it's either they are also bigger than other betting websites. I don't know, or if they run faster. Me too, I like using Sporty Bet more than Betway. I don't know the reason, because I think the apps are simple and they run faster, and their things are very easy to use. They have good odds over here. Then that's all. I think that's why a lot of people are using Sporty Bet. But for me, I don't know the reason they love Sporty Bet more than Betway. So let's go to Betway and see why it is. Then the registration is very simple. You can just take any preferred. They will give you the requirement, then you register. It's very simple and easy to use. So Sporty Bet is one of the leading betting websites in the world. Very, very affordable. They are official sponsor of they sponsored by other countries like Real Madrid. They sponsor West Ham and other things. So why do you choose Sporty Bet over Betway? You can leave a comment under the video so that we will see how we go about it. So let's move on to Betway. So this one is Betway. This Betway is the old company. Betway is the old company. They came before Sporty Bet came. It's a long time. So this Betway interface is very beautiful. But I think it's so compressed. Yes, it's so compressed, as you can see over here. So they have their games over here. These games, as already explained, Sporty Bet have the same thing. Then they will display their games and other promotion over here to run and go. Then they have live games over here. This their live games. They have it over here. So all these games are live games. If you don't want live games too, you can just go back Then you choose if you want soccer booking code. If you have your code, you just tap it over here. Then they have booking codes. If you want to share booking codes to someone, they have it over here. This one is very simple and easy. I think I love this one. Then they have swap bets. Swap bets, they will give you two teams. Then they give prediction for you. Then you choose the one you want. If you don't want it, then you swap for the next game. Like this one, Inter to win. Then if you don't want it, then you move. That's how swap bet works over here. It's one of the good things I love about Sporty Betway. Is very, very simple and easy one to use. They have all their games over here, promotion and other things. So let's check their. Okay, so here, they have so many things over here. So if you deposit money, it will appear here. If they send you bonus, it will also appear here. Free bet will appear, casino bonus will also appear. So they have separate all the payment method over here for you. So they have separation of payment method for you. So if you want to make deposit, I think Betway, they have more deposit option than Sporty Bet, if I may remember. So here they have Betway USDT, credit card, Betway cash drop, Visa debit card, and Betway multi-fund and other things. The same thing apply to if you want to withdraw, you can do the same thing on Betway. I think Betway, they have so many deposit and withdrawal options than Betway, Sporty Bet. So these are the options. Okay, here let me compare one thing and see. Okay, Betway, they have their odds. Is it bigger than Sporty Bet? So Nottingham Forest versus Brentford. Brentford win. Nottingham Forest 2 cedi 20 pesos. So let's check and see on Betway. So Sporty Bet. So Sporty Bet. Nottingham Forest win is 2 cedi 18 pesos. But Betway is 2 cedi 20 odds. So as compare Bebawo 2 cedi 20. Okay, let me see. Bebawo 2 is 2 cedi 18. So I think Betway, their odds is bigger than Sporty Bet as we compared over here. You can see it over here. So they have soccer. If you want other games too, you can choose any of the games. All these things Sporty Bet have. All these things they also have. They display their location, which is Ghana. It's over here for you. If you want to search any team, country, or other things, you can tap it over there. Then you are free to go. Then they have flash scores over here. Flash score. I think this one, Sporty Bet, I did not see it over there. Sporty Bet, not see flash score. I did not see it. But by here, do they have two-way up goals, or is this the two-way up goal? Because I don't see the two-way up goals over here. But Sporty Bet, they have it. So yeah, I don't see anything. I don't know if they have it. If they have it, please leave a comment for me to see. Then they have their options over here. So if you want to add it, then you add it to your favorite. If you don't want the favorite to, you just leave it like that. Then you can tap in. You can see all the options that they have. All the options they have over here. You can see it over here. They give you commentary and they also play live games. Some of the games they will show it for you to see. You can follow. If you want to change your teams to, you can change your country over here. Then you choose other options. I think this is all about Betway. They have the same features. I think there's only small thing that is different, and their registration too is simple to choose. Then they show notification. Deposit option is over here. You can just choose. Then when you place bet, it will appear here for you. They also read your bet. They also mark your bet for you. I think that's all about Sporty Bet. They will send you message, live chat, Aviota, Casino, big wins, inbox. So why do you prefer Betway over Sporty Bet, or why do you prefer Sporty Bet over Betway? Why is the difference, and why do you prefer? I don't get it. But me, I normally bet on Sporty Bet. I think that is the simple way for me. But I don't know why others too prefer Betway over Sporty Bet. Is it secure? Betway is more secure than Sporty Bet, or why? Because I don't know the reason. So that's all. Those who are saying I should do video and explain Betway and Sporty Bet. That's the difference between Betway and Sporty Bet. You can see the difference, how they are laid out. Sporty Bet, their odds are somehow up than Betway. So that's how it is. If you have any other difference, you can drop it under the comment section, so I'll read it and tell the others too. So thank you for watching. Another video, I'll bring you another website that we can all bet. Yeah.